Three former employees of a psychiatric hospital here in the district have been indicted for criminal negligence in the death of a patient at the facility.
As News 4's Jackie Bensen reports, the circumstances were brought to the attention of officials in the city more than 5 years ago.
These are images made by physically tracing over security camera video that are part of an investigation by Disabilities Rights D.C, charged with advocating for people with disabilities in the district. The images are part of the group's 2021 report into the death of a man at the Psychiatric Institute of Washington on Wisconsin Avenue Northwest. It is the city's only private, for-profit hospital for psychiatric and substance abuse disorders. The report, sent to the D.C. Health Department, details an agonizing 21-minute period between when the patient, on a thin mat and naked except for a sheet, appears to stop breathing and when staff members finally begin resuscitation attempts. The November 2020 death of the patient, listed only as GW, has now resulted in the criminal indictment of three former employees of the facility: Nelson Kuma, Richard Hauno, and Norma Muniz-Bent. They are charged with criminal negligence involving a vulnerable person.
This trio did nothing to help this patient. They didn't check him. They didn't reposition him. They didn't turn him. They didn't call a code blue. They didn't check his pulse. They didn't attempt CPR. They didn't initiate resuscitation efforts. They did nothing. This is a criminally negligent homicide. Clear and simple. Nothing more, nothing less.
All three former employees have pleaded not guilty and were released on promise to return for further court appearances. News 4 has learned GW's family has filed a civil suit in his death. In filings, both the institute and its parent company, Universal Health Services, denied the allegations against them. Disabilities Rights D.C. did 2 additional reports on alleged abuse and neglect at the facility. They issued a statement after the indictments were announced that says, in part, "We remain concerned about patient safety and adequate psychiatric treatment at Psychiatric Institute of Washington and continue to monitor the facility." In the District of Columbia, criminal neglect that results in the death of a vulnerable person is punishable by a prison sentence of up to 20 years. Jackie Bensen, News 4.
News 4 requested comments about the indictments from the Institute's parent company, but we have not yet received a response.